Did you know that there are more than just gray wolves? There are actually 4 different types of wolves, and one of them lives right here in North America. And it's not the gray wolf. But what exactly is a wolf and what do they eat? Stick around to the end of this video to find out. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we're going to be sharing with you 5 interesting wolf facts, including the different sorts of wolves which exist in the nature. So make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss anything. Also, before we start, please make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already and leave us a comment down below. We always appreciate your support. Now let's get started. Number 1, wolves can be different colors. Although the most common color for wolves is gray, wolves can actually be found in many different colors. And yes, even black wolves are real. Black wolves can be found in various places throughout the United States, Canada, Mexico, and even some parts of Europe. The black wolf is actually just a color variant of the gray wolf. They have the same fur length, body shape, and overall size. Some believe that black wolves are actually more intelligent than gray wolves due to their different colorations. While others believe that the black wolves are simply gray wolves who have lived among other black wolves for so long that they eventually turned black themselves. Regardless of what you may believe, one thing is certain: black wolves are beautiful creatures. Number 2, wolves live all over the world. If you've ever seen a wolf or a wolf dog in real life, then you probably know how big they can get. But did you know that not all wolves look the same? In fact, there are several different breeds of wolves all across the world. First, we have the gray wolf, which is the most common type of wolf in the world. Gray wolves can be found in both North America and Eurasia. Next, we have the red wolf, which is native to North America. This wolf has a reddish-brown coat and is smaller than the gray wolf. Then we have the Ethiopian wolf, which is found in the mountains of Ethiopia. These wolves have a sandy-colored coat and are known for their speed. Finally, we have the Arctic wolf, which is found in the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere. Arctic wolves have thick white coats and are perfectly adapted for life in the snow. So although wolves are found all over the world, they are still considered to be endangered animals. This is mainly due to habitat loss and human persecution. However, there are several organizations working to protect wolves and their habitats. Number 3, wolves are social animals. Wolves typically live in groups called packs, which usually consist of a mated pair of adults and their offspring from 1 or 2 litters. Packs are the basic social unit of wolf society, and members of a pack are related to each other either through kinship or by being adopted into the group. Wolves communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including howls, barks, growls, and whines. They also use body language and scent to communicate. Wolves are highly adaptable animals and can live in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They are carnivorous predators, and their diet consists mainly of deer, elk, moose, and other large ungulates. Wolves typically mate for life, but if one member of a pair dies, the survivor may find a new mate. Mating occurs during the winter months, and females give birth to a litter of pups after a gestation period of around 6 weeks. Pups are weaned onto solid food at about 6 weeks of age and are typically independent adults by the time they are 2 years old. Number 4, a wolf's sense of smell is so good that they can sniff out danger. Wolves have an acute sense of smell, which they use primarily for locating prey. Their sense of hearing is also keen, and they can pick up sounds that are too high or too low for humans to detect. Wolves rely on their senses of smell and hearing in order to survive. If a wolf hears a noise in the forest, he will investigate. He will try to determine if the noise is caused by a potential meal or a predator. If the wolf determines that the noise is caused by a potential meal, he will investigate further. If it's something worth eating, the wolf will take a few bites to see if it's worth trying to catch. If it is, the wolf will chase down its prey and try to capture it. However, if the wolf determines that the noise is caused by a predator, he will try to escape. Wolves are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. If a wolf is being chased by a predator, he will run away. The wolf will try to lead the predator away from its territory in order to protect its pups. Number 5, wolves are amazing parents. As we mentioned earlier, wolves typically live in groups called packs. Packs are the basic social unit of wolf society, and members of a pack are related to each other either through kinship or by being adopted into the group. When a female wolf gives birth to pups, the entire pack helps to raise them. Pups are typically weaned onto solid food at about 6 weeks of age and are fully independent adults by the time they are 2 years old. Wolves are very protective of their young and will defend them against any perceived threat. If a human approaches a wolf's den, the wolves will likely attack. This is why it is important to never approach a wild animal, no matter how cute you think it is. Wolves are wild animals and can be dangerous if approached. If you see a wolf in the wild, please admire it from a distance. Do not attempt to approach or feed the wolf. Wolves are beautiful creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. Let's all work together to protect them and their habitat so that they can continue to thrive. We hope you enjoyed learning some wolf facts. If so, please let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear what you thought. We also have a lot of other fun videos on our channel, so make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.